2025 Cadillac Escalade, the pinnacle of full-size luxury SUVs. Bold, commanding, and unapologetically luxurious, the 2025 Cadillac Escalade continues to reign as Cadillac's flagship SUV. This three-row, full-size powerhouse blends classic American opulence with cutting-edge technology, offering an experience that is as indulgent as it is advanced. While its body-on-frame construction is derived from GM siblings like the Chevrolet Tahoe and Suburban, the Escalade is elevated to a league of its own with refined materials, sophisticated engineering, and state-of-the-art features. For 2025, the Escalade has received a thoughtful design refresh that aligns its styling more closely with Cadillac's electric vehicle portfolio. It borrows visual cues from models like the Escalade IQ and the Lyriq, yet it remains a conventionally powered SUV with a focus on delivering traditional luxury in a thoroughly modern package. Despite its size and weight, the Escalade handles with surprising poise, thanks to a well-tuned chassis and an available adaptive air suspension system. Passengers are enveloped in comfort, and the cabin's tech-centric design ensures an experience that feels both futuristic and familiar. Cadillac's massive curved OLED display, now expanded to a stunning 55 inches across the dashboard, serves as the interior's showpiece, redefining what digital luxury can look like. For those who need more space, the extended-wheelbase Escalade ESV variant adds cargo and third-row legroom without compromising comfort. New features and styling for 2025. Cadillac has taken a bold step forward with the 2025 Escalade's updated exterior. It now features a restyled front fascia with a larger, more intricate grille design, slimmer LED daytime running lights integrated beneath the hood line, and sleek horizontal headlamps. The rear gets a touch-up with reworked taillights, a fresh lower bumper design, and minor trim enhancements that modernize the vehicle's look. Cadillac is also introducing optional 24-inch wheels, the largest ever fitted to an Escalade, along with 3 new paint finishes: Deep Sea Metallic, Latte Metallic, and Aegean Stone. Inside the cabin, refinement continues. The redesigned dashboard display now stretches across the full width of the front cabin, growing from 38 to 55 inches. A new steering wheel design has been introduced, along with 2 new interior color themes: Renaissance Red and Sheer Gray. The performance-focused Escalade-V variant adds more carbon fiber trim and exclusive quilted leather upholstery. Perhaps most notably, GM's Super Cruise, a hands-free driving assistant, is now standard across the lineup, signaling Cadillac's commitment to semi-autonomous driving tech. One key change for 2025 is the removal of the previously available 3.0-liter diesel engine, focusing entirely on gasoline powertrains. Trim levels, pricing, and recommendations. The 2025 Cadillac Escalade starts at $90,295 and climbs to $167,695, depending on trim and equipment. Given its mission to deliver top-tier luxury, this isn't a vehicle where penny pinching makes much sense. For those looking to experience the Escalade at its best, the premium luxury platinum trim stands out. It comes equipped with an adaptive air suspension system, a concert-grade 36-speaker AKG studio reference audio system, semi-aniline leather upholstery, 16-way power-adjustable front seats with massage, and new power-opening doors operated by either touch-sensitive handles or a button on the center console. For enthusiasts who demand maximum performance, the Escalade-V is the undisputed choice. It brings sports car-like power in a full-size SUV package. Production for the 2025 model year is scheduled to begin in late 2024 at GM's Arlington assembly plant in Texas. Powertrain, performance, and driving dynamics. At the heart of the standard Escalade is a 6.2-liter V8 engine that delivers a confident 420 horsepower, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and the option of rear or all-wheel drive. The previously offered diesel engine, which prioritized fuel efficiency over performance, has been discontinued. Drivers craving serious acceleration can turn to the Escalade-V, which boasts a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 producing a staggering 682 horsepower. This performance SUV not only sounds thunderous with its deep exhaust note but also moves with surprising urgency. The Escalade-V may not handle as tightly as European rivals like the Mercedes-AMG GLS 63 or BMW Alpina XB7, but it offers a commanding presence and straight-line speed that few can match. Underpinning the Escalade is an independent rear suspension, a major improvement over the previous generation solid axle, providing better ride quality and enhanced third-row legroom. Higher trims benefit further from adaptive dampers and air springs, enhancing both comfort and control. Acceleration and speed. Though Cadillac hasn't released official performance numbers for every 2025 variant, earlier testing gives us a solid idea of what to expect. A long-wheelbase 2021 Escalade ESV with the naturally aspirated V8 hit 60 miles per hour in 5.9 seconds. The supercharged Escalade-V, on the other hand, rockets to 60 miles per hour in just 4.3 seconds, completing the quarter mile in 12.7 seconds at 111 miles per hour. Impressive numbers for a vehicle of its size. Fuel economy. Fuel efficiency isn't the Escalade's strong suit, but it remains acceptable for a vehicle in this class. With the standard V8 and rear-wheel drive, the Escalade earns 14 miles per gallon city/19 miles per gallon highway/16 miles per gallon combined. Opting for all-wheel drive drops the highway figure slightly. The high-output Escalade-V is understandably thirstier, achieving just 11 miles per gallon city and 16 miles per gallon highway, according to EPA estimates. Interior design, comfort, and cargo space. Inside, the Escalade lives up to its flagship status with high-end materials and an upscale ambience. The base trim features simulated leather, while all other models come with genuine leather upholstery, including extra soft semi-aniline leather in platinum variants. Touch points like the dashboard and door panels are leather-wrapped, complemented by aluminum speaker grills and customizable ambient lighting. Buyers can choose between the standard or ESV long-wheelbase version. The ESV offers increased space for third-row passengers and extra cargo room, making it ideal for larger families or those who frequently carry gear. Technology and infotainment. Cadillac hasn't held back in the tech department. The cabin is dominated by a 55-inch curved OLED display, composed of 3 seamlessly integrated panels that handle everything from the digital instrument cluster to the infotainment system. Features include augmented reality navigation, a rear seat entertainment system with dual 12.6-inch screens, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and an available Wi-Fi hotspot. The audio experience is also a highlight. Cadillac has collaborated with AKG to develop sound systems that are second to none. A 19-speaker studio sound system comes standard on most trims, while Platinum models get the AKG Studio reference system with 36 speakers, or 40 speakers if the second-row executive package is added. Safety and driver assistance. Safety is a priority in the 2025 Escalade. Cadillac has made a wide range of driver assistance features standard across the board, including automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, front and rear, lane departure warning and lane keeping assist, the adaptive cruise control with hands-free driving mode via Super Cruise. Cadillac also continues to offer advanced collision avoidance and parking technologies to provide drivers with peace of mind. For crash test results, buyers can consult the NHTSA and IIHS websites. Warranty and maintenance coverage. The Escalade's warranty coverage is consistent with the rest of Cadillac's lineup. Limited warranty, 4 years/50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty, 6 years/70,000 miles. Complimentary maintenance, covered for the first dealer visit. While Cadillac's powertrain warranty is longer than some European competitors, brands like BMW offer more generous free maintenance coverage. Final thoughts. The 2025 Cadillac Escalade successfully blends tradition with innovation. It's a full-size SUV that doesn't just meet expectations, it exceeds them. Whether you're looking for commanding performance, next-level tech, or pure luxury, the Escalade delivers in every category. With its refreshed styling, upgraded tech, and continued commitment to comfort and performance, it stands tall as one of the most compelling luxury SUVs on the market today.